Welcome back, puzzle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Demon Slayer with the ultimate challenge for your brain. The Demon Slayer Jigsaw Puzzle 1000 Pieces. I'm your host, and this is Product Critique. Let's start by unwrapping this treasure trove of entertainment. With its 1000 pieces, this puzzle promises hours of fun for teens, adults, and families alike. Crafted with precision, each piece fits seamlessly together to reveal a stunning artwork from the beloved anime series, Demon Slayer. But what sets this puzzle apart from the rest? Well, besides the thrilling challenge it offers, it comes with a bonus anime poster for reference. Plus, the puzzle is made of high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and durability. Now, let's talk about the benefits of indulging in this brain-teasing activity. Not only does it enhance hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, but it also boosts problem-solving abilities, shape recognition, memory, and task completion. It's like a workout for your brain. Whether you're 14 or 40, this puzzle caters to all skill levels. It's a fantastic way to unwind solo or bond with loved ones over a shared passion for Demon Slayer. Looking for the perfect Easter gift or a birthday surprise? This Demon Slayer puzzle makes a thoughtful and engaging present for anime enthusiasts of all ages. In conclusion, the Demon Slayer Jigsaw Puzzle 1000 Pieces is not just a game, it's an experience. So, what are you waiting for? That's a wrap for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy puzzling!